Welcome back to another video. Today we are in La Floresta and we're seeing this renovated property behind me today, listed for $625,000 US. This home is all on one level. It has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it's located on one of the most delightful streets of Lower La Floresta. This is a perfect home if you are looking for a property. Walkability is key here, guys, and really excited to walk you around this renovated property for sale. Come with me, let's check it out together. Welcome to La Floresta Dream, here in the subdivision of La Floresta. So La Floresta Dream sits on a lot size of 470 square meters, and the construction comes out at 246 square meters. So as you can see from the entrance, the facade of the property, you have a lovely facade here, a lovely bit of easement, a garden in front. Here we have electric gates. We're going to come through the pedestrian entrance here. So as soon as you walk through the doors, you're greeted with this beautiful hacienda vibe of a property that really everything wraps around this stunning lap pool. Here in the carport we have space for at least one good sized vehicle. There is a bit of storage space here too if you need it. Just to point out, here to my right hand side, it's a nice pergola. You know, this is a great area. They have the grilling space there. They have a grilling area, a perfect area to put a table and chairs for al fresco eating. Where my sight goes as soon as I walk into this property is this stunning centerpiece of a lap pool. This was part of the renovation in 2023. This is an incredible add-on to the property and it really makes this area. The pool's heated. They do have a nice area actually for kids that's a bit further on, hugged by all of the vegetation. Behind me, this is the main house, and here to my left hand side, this is the new construction. This really could be a casita. But first of all, let's check out the main house behind me, which is 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Come on through to this open plan concept. Everywhere you look in this room, it takes you out to the south-facing garden where we came in. I think they've done a lovely job furnishing this house. The furniture, everything works really well. I love these beautiful bay windows that take you in and out of that south-facing garden into the pool. Here to my right-hand side, you've got a very nice appointed dining room set here. Works great. And naturally, like, everything just flows beautifully in this room. Before we go into the kitchen, I just want to point out this lovely little feature here. This is a gas fireplace. It's kind of tucked away nicely in the corner here. You do have a skylight up here, bringing in lots of natural light. We're going to check out this side of the property first. So coming into this completely renovated kitchen, I really like what they've done with this modern leather finished granite, which is lovely. I think it really works, and the color schemes are really nice as well. You've got space for at least 3 to 4 benches, as you can see here. And I just want to point out what they've done here. This is really nice. The arch here that allows you to get the view of the garden. Really great for when you're entertaining. This would be a perfect place to put all of your party food. By the way, guys, this house is coming with a full inventory list, part of the listing price. I'd like to take you into the guest bedroom, so come on through. Here you have a large guest bedroom running out beautifully to the south-facing garden. Little seating area out there too, that's lovely. This is a king-size bed, so you can just see the dimensions of this room. It's really ample. Here to my left-hand side, this is where we find the ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower, and you also have a walk-in closet too. On the east side of the property, we have the master suite. Just before we come into the master suite, behind these doors, this is where we have the laundry area and a bit more storage space. This is where we have the half bathroom, which is for your guests. Coming into the principal suite. So you can see this room is quite a bit bigger than the other one. A little seating area here. This feeds nicely onto the patio as we came into the property. Behind me here is the master suite. You have a 1-sink vanity, a walk-in shower, and a bathtub And here, this is your walk-in closet, very similar size to the one in the guest bedroom. So let me take you out to the new construction. So La Floresta Dream had this add-on when they did the renovation. And I think it's a great add-on. Behind me, what you have here is a large bedroom with a seating area, a good sized walk-in closet, and you have an ensuite bathroom too. I think if you did want to turn this into a completely separate casita, all you're missing is a little kitchenette. And really, you're all set to turn this into a very nice independent casita. Thanks all for coming to see this stunning remodeled property here in La Floresta. If you'd like to come and see it, feel free to book a tour with me. My email is here on the screen. If you would like to come and see any other properties for that matter around Lake Chapala, feel free to reach out, guys. It'd be my pleasure to take you out on a private home tour. Saying that, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification and give the video a thumbs up if you want to get notified with all the videos I do on a weekly basis about the real estate market here on Lake Chapala. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.